Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do a nice atmospheric type of painting. It's real moody and it's full of lightning. Yeah, we're going to create lightning in it and it's real moody and atmospheric. Now, I created these back in the 90s, like 92, 93. And, you know, they're a fun little project, but we're going to show you guys how to do them today. So like I said, you got to... Now, missed the first part of the painting, as you guys did not see the first part of the painting. I sprayed Wagner fluid on it in this spray bottle. Just kind of mist the canvas, make it nice and wet. That way your colors move around real quick. And you're creating that nice little atmosphere on the bottom there. Okay, like that's like a grassy hill. Okay, and we got some blue in the sky there. We're gonna come down here and just kind of create that nice little atmospheric look up here. Okay, and then we're gonna kind of clean this out. Give it a little bit of some color there. I'm gonna add a little bit of pink to that sky. It's gonna be a little weird, but there you go, a little bit of pink. Give that purpley, kind of darky feel at the top. Okay, and then we're gonna add a little yellow, kind of where the lightning's gonna be, kind of on here. Look at that. Nice and bright in the center. I'm going to carry it down here on the bottom. Blend all these colors together. Okay, you can kind of see it. It's got a nice sky tone, nice little sunny look. Now we're going to darken it a little more. We're going to have this really dark blue to it. That's going to give us a nice little atmospheric feel. Nice and dirty. Then we're gonna add a little black, get it all really dark, especially at the top. Drag it around. Give some broken blue, nice and scary and dark and moody. Yeah, nice and moody. Yeah. And we're gonna add a little bit of purple to that too. That'll give it its nice mystery. Wow, look at that. See that getting nice? Ooh. Nice and mysterious. We're going to have that dark to the bottom where the green is. Just blend it right into that green. Mix it so it has a dark, kind of an avocado look. Can you see that look? Add a little bit more green to it. There you go. See that? Nice dark green. Now it's kind of got a foresty kind of green to it. Nice and mysterious though. Look at that, real dark, moody. Add a little more turquoise to that edge. A little more sky. We don't care if we cover it with yellow. We just want a faint color of yellow there, just a few little pieces of yellow. Okay, we're kind of cool with that. Nice and atmospheric. Oh, actually, you know what? I want to go a little darker. Real moody. There we go. That's a little bit better. Kind of liking that. Real moody. Okay, so now that I got it kind of where I want it, we need some baker's foil. Let's give it some texture. Kind of weird, just kind of give it a nice, like, just kind of twist it around, just make it all jumbly, make it look like clouds. Cause texture. That's all I'm asking you guys to do. Cause texture. Little ripples in the sky. There you go. Foil. Just all you need is a ball of foil. Okay, so you're done with that. I'm going to spray it a little bit again. Lightly. Okay. Now here's the cool part. Let's get all this out of the way. The cool part is, this is the cool part here. We're going to squirt it in our hand. Okay, see what I just did there? I dripped a bunch of damn water all over that thing. I'm getting a hairdryer out. Push that water around. We're going to get a paper towel. A couple paper towels. Oh, look at that. Lightning in a bottle, guys. Raining, it's all pouring. Look at that, guys. Make it rain, we're just gonna pull that rain down. It's pouring. It's pouring, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Just get a little bit of water. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Crazy, huh? We're gonna mist it. Okay, now we're gonna get some alcohol. Alcohol, not the kind you drink, but the kind you use to numb your feet. Okay, same thing. Let it sit in there for a minute and penetrate. Then we're going to pick up all those alcohol droplets. Paint that hill back in a little bit. Look at that, guys. Lightning. Lightning. Let it sit for a second. Strike. Look at that. And then we're going to make one big boom right here on the end of the mountain. See where it comes down? We'll make a lightning strike right about here. Look at that. You're controlling yourself. It controls everything. I'm going to control the top. Just going to let it run. Okay, perfect. Same thing. Nice dry paper towel. Look at that, guys. You see what I'm talking about? It's giving that nice lightning effect in the sky. We're gonna add a little green to this. I like a little bit more green. Pretend that hillside's full of trees. Isn't that wild, guys? And there you guys have it, lightning on a mountain hillside. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Isn't that cool as heck? Nice little atmospheric painting. Lightning in a mountain area. Peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.